I was always a fan of my friend Nirmal, who was an excellent athlete and bagged enough number of state level records to his name. But the odds was against him. Because of lack of financial support and infrastructure facilities to undergo training, he was forced to end up his career as an athlete. Even after having many such Nirmals around us in this youthful country like ours, we still struggle to bag enough number of medals in the Olympics and Paralympic Games. Where do we fail actually? Of course, we fail to provide enough financial support and other infrastructural facilities for budding athletes like Nirmal. Here comes Target Olympic Podium Scheme by our Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports to bloom the budding athletes like Nirmal. Let's move on to the core important features of Target Olympic Podium Scheme. The aim of the scheme is to identify, groom, and train the potential medal winners in the Olympics and Paralympic Games by providing them with enough financial support and other world-class institutional infrastructure facilities to undergo training. That's the main target of the Target Olympic Podium Scheme, right? And in this scheme, 9 sports disciplines are identified as high priority areas. They are athletics, badminton, hockey, shooting, tennis, weightlifting, wrestling, archery, and boxing. These 9 disciplines are considered as high priority. It doesn't mean that only these 9 disciplines are given financial assistance and world class training facilities. No. Apart from these, other sports events like judo, squash, and many other events are also given assistance under the scheme, but these 9 are considered as the high priority sport events, right? And since it is related to the sports, it is obviously implemented by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. And regarding funding pattern, the funding is provided through National Sports Development Fund. And it is a fund established to provide assistance to sports persons, right? That is National Sports Development Fund aim to assist sports persons, right, by providing financial assistance to them. I repeat once again, the aim of this Target Olympic Podium Scheme is to identify, prepare, and train the potential medal winners in the coming Olympic and Paralympic Games, right, by giving them financial assistance, also providing them with world-class infrastructure facilities to undergo training. And currently, as I said earlier, 9 sport events are identified as high priority areas. They are athletics, badminton, hockey, shooting, tennis, weightlifting, wrestling, archery, and boxing. And not only to these high priority disciplines, apart from this, other events are also given assistance under this Target Olympic Podium Scheme and implemented by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, and funding is through National Sports Development Fund, right? And let's hope that this kind of scheme will help the potential medal winners in our country, right? And let's move on to a model question. With reference to Target Olympic Podium Scheme, consider the following statements. It aims at identifying and training selected sports persons who are potential medal winners. 2. Is implemented by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. 3. Financial assistance is given only to sports discipline identified as high priority. Which among the above statement or statements is or are correct? So let's move on to statement number 1. It aims at identifying and training selected sports persons who are potential medal winners. Exactly, that is the clear objective of Target Olympic Podium Scheme. So statement 1 is right here. Regarding statement number 2, it is implemented by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Exactly, that is also correct here, right? So 1 and 2 should be there in the answer. So we can eliminate A and C, right? That means either B or D should be the answer. Regarding statement number 3, financial assistance is given only to sports discipline identified as high priority. No, we know that 9 disciplines are identified as high priority, and apart from this 9, the other events like judo, squash, and many other events are also given financial assistance, and not only to identified high priority sports disciplines, right? So statement 3 is wrong here. So the answer should be 1 and 2 only. That is B is our answer, right? I hope you are clear with Target Olympic Podium Scheme, and these are the core important points you must know when you attempt prelims this year. And if you feel this video useful, please share it to your friends and also subscribe our channel to bring more quality videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.